Emerging technologies. In this chapter, we will explore the exciting world of emerging technologies and their role in shaping the future of computing. These cutting-edge technologies represent the forefront of innovation and have the potential to revolutionize various industries and aspects of our daily lives. Let's dive into the fascinating world of emerging technologies and discover how they are transforming the landscape of computing and beyond. Definition and scope of emerging technologies. Emerging technologies are at the forefront of innovation, representing new and groundbreaking advancements in various fields. These technologies are in the early stages of development or adoption, showing immense potential for transforming the future of computing. Examples of emerging technologies include quantum computing, augmented reality, virtual reality, Internet of Things, IoT, robotics, and more. These technologies introduce novel concepts, tools, and approaches that push the boundaries of what is possible in computing. Role of emerging technologies in shaping the future of computing. Emerging technologies play a pivotal role in shaping the future of computing. They bring about significant changes and advancements that impact various aspects of our lives. These technologies enable breakthroughs in data processing, artificial intelligence, automation, and human-computer interaction. They fuel innovation, drive research and development, and create new opportunities for businesses and industries. With their transformative potential, emerging technologies have the power to revolutionize how we work, communicate, learn, and interact with technology. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the future of computing. If you found this content informative and engaging, we would appreciate your support. Please take a moment to like this video, share it with others who may benefit from it, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates and insightful content. Your support helps us reach a wider audience and continue to create valuable resources. Thank you once again, and we look forward to seeing you in future videos.